Hello everyone, my name is Reina Saiki from Synspective. Please allow me to introduce who we are and what we do. Synspective is a Tokyo-based company with a diverse and talented team of more than 180 members from 29 countries. Since we were founded in 2018, we have raised $200 million in funding and have been recognized both in Japan and globally as a leading startup within the space industry. Synspective develops and operates synthetic aperture radar or SAR satellites. Compared to optical satellites that are heavily dependent on sunlight conditions, these SAR satellites are unique in that they can gather data regardless of the time of day or weather conditions, enabling consistent and reliable 24-hour all-weather Earth observation. In addition to gathering data at any time and in any weather condition, our SAR satellite Strix also detects surface geometry such as ground terrain and structure shape and can observe an area of over 1,000 square kilometers with 1 to 3 meter resolution at once anywhere in the world, enabling us to acquire reliable, significant, and broad-ranging data. Here is an example of how data from our satellites can be used to produce valuable insights. We were able to use Strix to observe the port of Singapore, one of the busiest and largest in the world, on a daily basis. In this way, SAR satellites can be used to detect containers and vessels, meaning that changes can be shown over multiple observations across time to produce insights regarding economic trends and trade activities. Using these SAR satellites, we offer two services. The first involves generating SAR data from our satellite constellation and selling this to customers, which are mainly government users or data analytics companies. The second service involves using our SAR data and combining it with other satellite data or other big data, and using data science and machine learning to develop cloud-based solution services that our customers can easily use without any expertise in SAR data. We develop our solutions for various use cases in wide-ranging sectors such as oil and gas, mining, foresting, and civil engineering. Among these, we will introduce one solution, the Land Displacement Monitoring or LDM solution. LDM utilizes SAR satellite data and detects land displacements across a wide area and analyzes ground risks through the persistent and continuous monitoring of millimeter-scale surface changes. What this means is that by using this solution, our customers can greatly reduce the time and cost that is traditionally needed for land displacement analysis, which is helpful for construction and infrastructure management, disaster prevention, disaster response, and more. I'd like to introduce a use case where we partner with JICA, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, and Guatemala City. Guatemala is a mountainous country with several volcanoes, very prone to disaster risks, and the capital city has been hit by devastating sinkholes, earthquakes, and landslides in the past. By using our LDM solution, we were successfully able to identify 3 land risk hotspots for landslides and subsidence that were previously not known. You see here Guatemala City, and we are looking at vertical land displacement. We want to see where subsidence, or the land sinking, potentially occurs, so we are isolating that data by removing data detecting land uplift or the ground rising. You can see here 3 areas that show land subsidence clearly progressing over the past 3 years. LDM was able to detect ground movement risks at an early stage, reduce on-site land surveying costs, and contribute to the building of a smarter disaster prevention management system and the protection of urban city life and infrastructure in Guatemala City. In terms of our future, we will continue to build up our SAR satellite constellation, generate more data, develop solutions that can be applied to various use cases, and build an analytics platform so that we can achieve our mission of a learning world where individuals and organizations can make tangible progress toward a more sustainable future.